Hello guys, this is vsquare game and I'm your tech guide Vivek, and today we are going to unbox MI Band HRX edition, means Hrithik Roshan edition. Here nothing, the same logo of MI and name of the band, and backside some info about the band. It's written that it has 70 mAh battery. The price quoted is 1799, but I have got it for one one 199. It says it's Bluetooth smart, and the main thing is notice here it is made in China, guys. As you know, MI makes some devices in India, but this device is done in China. Okay, let it be. Let's open the box. Inside the main band itself, the main part of the band. Let me take it out. Yes. Here is the main device, well built, MI logo back. Let me boot it up. I think it has no power. I don't know why MI is making like that. Let it be. And it's the band itself, guys. And very well built band also here we get. Let me open. Let me put the main device into the band. Yes, guys, the band has very well built quality. If you want to buy this, you can surely buy it, but only the one thing, you don't get heart rate sensor to be remembered. Here's the charging port, guys. This is a charging port. We have to keep the device inside it, and this is a USB 2.0 connector. You can connect with your charger. At last we get user guide, and it has some info about the watch. You can look and watch the pretty info. And this was my review for MI Band HRX edition. Sorry, review not, guys, unboxing of MI Band HRX edition, guys. I will post a complete review soon, so thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe our channel vsquare.